2 of trying to find a van. What is this, like dealer number 8? We're doing some crazy stuff right now. So we're on our way to Dallas from San Angelo. It's about 4.5 hours. So, dude, I just did your sniff.
You did? Oh,
yeah.
Weird.
Oh,
are you nervous?
No, I'm excited. So we're gonna go drive about 4 hours, go check out a van. We'll show you what it is. Last one was a total bust. They lied to us. Told us that there was no dents, and we got there and there's a big giant dent on the back door. So.
And that was a 3.5 hour drive each way.
Yeah. So this one is brand new, so it should be no problem. So fits the bill.
Fingers crossed.
Hey, where are we?
Just got a new van. We're probably nuts.
Mercedes dealer. There's our new van right there. Somebody's new van. Last couple weeks have been pretty crazy around here.
We forgot to tell everyone to lift it.
The new van we're gonna build out.
2019 144 Sprinter.
The brand new van.
So if anybody's looking for one to be built out, we're gonna start it in a week and a half when we get back from California with all of our tools. It's the real reason we came back. You ready to go spend like 4 hours digging tools out?
Yeah. Let's do this. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas. I get all my tools.
Put it off an extra day and stayed through till tomorrow, which is Sunday. We were supposed to leave this morning, but decided that we would stay an extra day because we just weren't gonna have enough time. Oh, that's not ours. Shows you how often we come here. It's supposed to be like smooth filming, but Dan stayed in the van. Yep, still filming. Still waiting for you.
I'm conducting some business.
Okay.
I'll be out there in just
I just chopped your head off too. All right, take 2. Or not.
Take 3.
Started our day with an Adalberto's breakfast burrito. Oh no, it's gonna echo.
It's so dark you may not be able to see much.
Oh yeah. Oh, we should have got a light.
I think there's one in there. Like in our storage stuff.
So when we did this, we just put everything in so that everything would fit. Never thinking we'd be building out a van in the middle of this. And
we went down from a 4-bedroom house to that van. So we kept some stuff, not everything. We got rid of probably 60% of our stuff.
Better? Now we have light.
Alright, let's do that again.
What?
Now you can see it. When we're thinking about filming, you have to remember, what would KYD do? He would refilm. When we got rid of our house, we got rid of, what, 60% of our stuff, 70% of our stuff? But I kept all my tools, sentimental stuff, patio furniture. This is everything.
Oh God. It's a 10 by 10. So as you can imagine, it is that all the way back. Granted, this messy stuff we just added when we were here a month and a half ago.
Oh my God, I see tools. This is like Christmas for me. I'm so excited.
Yeah, except for like all the little stuff is in the back.
Okay, whatever.
We told our friend Josh he could come and keep us company. Little does he know we're probably gonna put him to work.
If it doesn't fit somewhere, it doesn't work, we can just throw it on Marketplace.
Yeah. Let's see. Got all our shit in the van.
She's been doing lots of freaking, it's like our side hustle. She's got all these deals she's doing.
We got it all.
Are we taking the duct tape?
I'm so excited. And Josh and Jen are taking that.
Yeah.
So that'll be nice.
After 2 days of driving, we're back home. Temporary home. It's 103 out. How excited are you to go work at a metal shop at 103?
Super excited, actually.
We got all our tools, so the build starts now.
Hello?
I would say that the build is starting.
Yeah, we just got back from 1,700 miles of driving. Got our tools. Got almost everything for the van build back there. Got some more stuff getting delivered this week. Got my new welder coming in on Tuesday. I think it's Monday right now. But this is the first run to the shop.
And
We left at 7:24.
Oh.
Look at all that stuff.
Full.
Yeah, we'll show you what it
The
looks like.
bed's packed too.
The windows are still in the garage at Nikki and Spencer's house, so we'll grab those tomorrow. Kind of ran out of room.
But tonight's just a drop-off night of all of the supplies that we've bought so far and all the tools that we brought back from California. And then tomorrow we just got to grab things like trash cans. I don't even remember. Oh, we have to build a workbench, like a cheap workbench. And then we're gonna get down to business. Got to get this van ready to sell and then start working on the new one.
Yeah, excited. we'll show you the shop.
All right, fresh battery. That one died right when we started recording.
Perfect. Yeah.
So you can see how hot it is.
Yes.
Yeah, there's no insulation, they're metal buildings, and no AC. But I think that we could get like a window unit or one of those little portable rolly ones.
Just give it something.
Yeah, I think it's...
104 out today.
Luckily the sun is not like this until this late at night, so chances are we'll be done by now anyways to take a break, and then we'll come back.
It actually doesn't feel that bad out.
No.
Especially shooting.
And it's like 100, so... Oh, those people totally crashed into their garage door down there. That's a bummer.
Oh, that sucks.
But I think they're 14 feet, so plenty for the vans. We could actually fit the 144 and this one, which is a 170 in there, but obviously we're not going to because we'll have all of our supplies. Hopefully Dan can get the door unlocked. We had a bit of trouble last time, and the guy had to come help us, I guess because they're new locks. Oh, no, got it. Well, the van's still there.
That's good. Oh, it actually doesn't feel that bad in here.
Oh yeah, for being 100 and something the last couple days. So everything that was in the back of our van that we emptied to go to California, and the new van.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll film a little bit after we get everything in here. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right.
Wow.
So we got everything in.
Load of stuff to the shop.
So that's what we've got so far. We still need to do heater, roof rails, new tires and rims because these are just sad looking.
Boring.
Well, if the rims were black, that'd be one thing. And then
Awning.
window blinds, awning. So a couple more big things.
The windows.
Yeah, we do have the windows. They're ordered. So if one will go there, one will go on the other side.
I brought my
This really...
MIG welder, but I do have a new welder inbound to be here on Wednesday. I got a TIG welder. So I'm gonna start doing all aluminum. I'm super excited to start working on that.
Thinking about
It's like Christmas.
how messy the garage was at the house when we did the last 3 builds.
It's like, how did we do it?
I don't know how... Yeah. We're probably going to be buying a couple more tools, I would say.
Tomorrow.
Because that just... metal saw blade. What else you got to get?
I'm gonna get a combo disc and belt sander, so that'd be nice for all the metalworking. I gotta get a welding cart. For this one, I have one in the storage unit, but we're gonna have 2 welders, so I'm gonna have another cart.
Bench? Workbench?
I think we're gonna get an air conditioning unit, just something to
It's...
cool it down a little bit in
gross.
here for us.
Yeah,
So,
we have
yeah.
a couple little things, but this is it. Good night, new Sprinter. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh yeah, it's only supposed to be like 77 tomorrow, so I'm not really sure. Today 104, tomorrow 77.
Texas, you crazy.
Building here is going to be interesting, but
The roof's insulated. Okay. Getting the shop all set up. Little lounging area. Big old pile of parts. Got some tools out here in the corner. One workbench done. Super nice to have these. Another workbench done. Got the new welder. Got the new TIG welder. Christina made the cart for me. Picked that up today. So excited to start working on this stuff. I'm excited to start welding things up. Get the cabinets all welded up for the kitchen. And start welding up roof rails. Hi.
I think we can finally get started maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, it's been a lot of running around and picking pieces up, and so yeah, hopefully get started tomorrow.